Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to add product variations inside of your WooCommerce WordPress website. First of all guys, I will need you to go to your wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there guys, I will need you to go to plugins, add a new, and go to here, tap or type WooCommerce, click enter and search for it. After that guys, you will find it over here, so click on install now and then click on activate. Then go to install plugins, check if it is on the active section. If it is, that means that you are settled up and ready to go. If not, go back to all and search for it over here and then activate it. So after we finish with that, refresh the page so you have this new functions of WooCommerce over here. Now, how we can actually add product variations? It's pretty much simple. Go to products, and here, if I want in here, you will find that I have Pringles, iPhone X, Pringles. Now, Pringles and Pringles must be in the same variation, which are food or snacks. How we can actually do that? Let's go to categories, and here, let me just remove, for example, this. Let me just remove everything, and let me remove even this one, or let me just keep it. And then I will create a new category, which called, for example, snacks. So here you go. Here I click on add new category, and then I will add technology and like that. And basically now I will click on add new category. Now as you can see, I have created some variation in my products categories. Now if I want to products and then click on Pringles, I click in it and then I will add it to snacks. I remove them uncategorized and click on updates. And here I will go to our products back, change this as well, Pringles, make it snacks as well, update, and the same thing goes for the phone. So I will go to the phone and let me just go back to here and go to my phone and make it in the category of technology. After that, click on update. And as you can see here, if I want to my phone and I want all the way down, you will not see any variation of related products. But if I want to my other product, which are Pringles, now if I want here, view, you will notice that there is a related product, which is the other Pringles. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make variation in products. So thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.